Hey parents, I'm being quiet because my kids are still asleep. Do you see what time it is? It's 10:11 and we have to go to church. So I'm going to try to place a fidget spinner, which I don't know how to use, on Mylo to wake him up. He just got this with his tooth fairy money. So let's see if we can do it. If I do it, I challenge you to place a fidget spinner on your sleeping kid to wake him up. Let's do it. Here's a sleeping Ollie. Oh, there's Ollie bug. And there's one. This is so hard. We're just going to place it on him and try and get it to spin. We got it! Good morning, sweetie. Oh! Parents, that was really hard. Let's try and get Ollie. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Tweet Baby. Hi, Minnie. Good morning. You ready for church?
I'm ready.
You're ready? Good morning, Mylo. I fidget spinnered your forehead. Thanks for letting me use your fidget spinner. Can you tell? Hi, kids. Maybe this challenge is already a thing. I don't know. But why not? Parents can have fun too. Right, baby? Right, Ollie? So I challenge you to go fidget spin your sleeping kids to wake them up. You're probably better at it than I am because I have no idea how to use it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.